What's up, guys? Welcome back to Three Pedal Devils. It is a beautiful Friday evening and we're about to get the good old DRZs out. Go for a good old motovlog.
Oh yeah, we got a new motovlogging setup here. But basically we got a third Cardo running with an audio recorder to record both of our voices while we're ripping. Ah, dude, that little camera's so tiny.
We're also trying out my new little pocket too, so let us know what you think, how it sounds, how it looks. But yeah, let's get into some ripping.
First thing we got to do is go to the gas station because I don't know if this has any gas in it.
Okay. Like how neither of us have started our bike yet.
Mine doesn't even work.
Really?
Yeah. Won't even crank.
No way. Have you tried to start it with the new ignition cylinder yet?
Ignition cylinder. Yeah, I wrote it the other day.
Oh.
Oh, I forgot how to ride. Oh, me too. Still there?
Yep. Alright guys, we thought we'd start it off hot by doing something sketchy and going on the bike path. Super illegal.
Yeah. How do we even get up there? I forgot. Should we go...
We go right and then do a U-E and go up to it.
Okay.
Skip these, right?
Get these guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the risk of us encountering somebody on this, I feel like pretty high because it's one of the first nice days of spring.
Yeah.
We've never had that happen. We've ridden the bike path, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 times. Never encountered anyone. No cops?
I do not.
How do we even get up there? Oh, right here.
Yeah. No turn thing.
You wanna pass me?
Okay, coming now.
Watch for people. Yeah, this feels so sketchy for some reason.
Yeah, dude. Starting off with a banger.
We're going as fast as the highway.
I know.
I don't want to go through the field. Let's bail out to the right
Okay.
once we get up here.
Okay. I feel like no one ever uses this bike path.
Yeah, I don't think they do. Watch the cop be sitting right down here.
Oh, Jesus. That sucks. Let's see.
Yeah. Oh shit, there's an open business right there. What? Get out of here. Go right.
If I want to go through the bridge. You're never on any bike path. Remember what?
Yeah, what are you talking about? These are bikes. They got 2 wheels.
Yeah.
Should we head over towards Patrick Marsh, or you think it'll be too dark by the time we get there?
I think it might be too dark by the time we get there. Do you want to just go to the development?
Yeah, we'll see what that's like.
Okay. We can rip around that, like, pond.
Yeah.
I gotta fix my turn signals.
either though.
Whoa, I almost hit a bird. Yeah, I saw that.
I might just dip off into the right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna dip off right here.
Oh, they got fresh rocks down here.
Yeah. Oh my god, my tire is so hard. There's a jet ski out here. Holy big boys.
These are big boys. Jesus. Oh my god.
Anyone want a free jet ski?
Oh yeah. Nah, dude, this is where it all started. These are my cow training ground.
Yeah.
Not too far away from where I dumped hard, going like 20.
I don't know why, I just love riding out here.
Yeah, man.
Oh, this is a spot to go.
I shouldn't have followed you. Oh. Oh no. Oh! Ah.
Jesus, you're an animal for doing that by yourself.
I dumped that hard. I saw this wall right here, and I was like, I don't want to go that way. And then I was too short to put my foot down over here.
First of the season.
Oh, she's heavy too. Good thing I don't have a KLR. I'd never be able to ride.
I'll see what it looks like over here.
Yeah, dude, none of those houses were there before. They built those in like a year.
Oh, I was gonna say we should try and ride down this, but never mind.
Yeah.
Just straight drop off.
Show them the wall I got scared of.
Alright, this is the wall that you were coming up on and scared you?
Yeah. I was coming up on it like right this way.
It's like
Pretty tall.
knee deep on me, and I'm 6'5".
Definitely higher than the apex of the wheel. Ready?
Do you want to lead or do you want me to?
You can.
Okay, I don't know where I'm going.
Either.
Really perfect racing line.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know how to do that. Oh, there is an engine in it.
Oh, here's our pass from last time around the lake.
You want to go on it?
Maybe for a bit. I don't know if it's forward way, but I'm looking over the edge. Boy, it looks really muddy. Yeah. Oh boy. After it's quite muddy. What are you thinking?
Yeah. I can lead.
Okay.
I kind of want to go up that hill. I'm just scared of what's on the other side.
True.
But the hill, oh, this is gonna be steep.
I'm with whiskey.
We did go, or at least I did, go around here somewhere at one point.
Yeah, I remember that actually.
Oh, it's fine. You can follow me.
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Oh! That looks a little bit.
Oh, I got my foot wet.
Did ya?
Yeah. Well, not wet, just soaked in blood.
I guess that's the wet you going on?
I don't think I can go down this. Oh, yes I can. That looks really steep.
That does look really steep. I can't even see off the end of it.
I'm gonna do it. Oh, whatever. Holy. I need to let air out of my front tire so that.
Go back somewhere not illegal so we can take videos
Okay.
without someone coming up on us.
Do you want to just go back to the field at the shop then?
Yeah, or we could just go back to this road and then go near the train track. That looks cool.
Okay.
Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told them last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text. From way downtown, but the shit's still wet. Yeah, that's a guarantee.
Alright. Back to the shop.
Really hope the audio turned out.
Yeah, me too.
You know what I'm thinking?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love running this line with this bank here.
Yeah, me too.
My God, we're almost to the end though.
I can't see now.
Can't see.
Yeah.
Ah.
I mean, I'll keep...
I can't see either. I just went down a little ravine.
Let me see you do a wheelie.
I don't know how. Teach me real quick.
Okay. Start by just, in first gear, just going like 5 to 10 miles an hour with the...
Oh, like this?
Yeah, exactly like that. And then keep your foot, your right foot, over the rear brake, because if you go too far back, you have to smash that, and then you won't fall. But go this slow, and then just give it like 3/4 of throttle, and lean back and pull up, and then that'll like pick up the front wheel.
Oh, you have the clutch fully out, like fully normal when you do that?
Yeah, I'm not.
These are
I'm not.
power wheelie.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, my GoPro died. Ah. I'll do it in the next video, so the subs have to come back and watch me learn how to wheelie.
Hell yeah.
Temperature out there.
It is.
Okay.
All right, that's going to be it for this one. That was our first moto vlog ever and for this riding season, but make sure you Short King. Make sure you like and subscribe so that you can see when all of our riding videos this year. We've got like 9 trips planned, and then we're going to go to an MX track for the first time. That's going to be insane. So we have tons of rides, so make sure you like and subscribe so you can see when they get posted.
Yep, and there's going to be 3 DRZs in the videos, hopefully a yellow one that's sitting over there. If you didn't watch the unveiling video, check that out. But I'm going to rattle off all of our rides real quick, see if I remember them all. First is Syracuse, then is Wabeno, then is the NWAT Center Loop, then is Perkinstown and Price County and possibly Flambeau. Black Hills, South Dakota, single track. The Tamaracks and Eagle River, Conover area many times. What else are we missing? We might go to Black River Falls if we get to it. We might go to Tigerton, not sure yet.
You said Syracuse, but then I'm going to try and go to Sugar Maple MX course as well.
And then very end of the season, I was hoping we'd close it off with the western loop of the UP Adventure Trail, because I've heard it's epic. Probably hit that sometime in September. So we got a lot going on. Obviously, come back and check them out. Let us know how you think we can make these adventure vlogs better, because we're going to be sending it.
All right, peace.